Post-collision investigations estimate that up to 95% of all on-road incidents are down to human error and could have been avoided. According to the Department for Transport, these incidents happen when the driver or rider either does one of the following. They fail to look properly, they fail to judge the other person's path or speed, carries out a poor turn or manoeuvre, loses control of the vehicle due to the conditions and the speed, is travelling too fast for the conditions, and is exceeding the speed limit. A significant number, estimated at a third of all incidents which resulted in a road casualty, are caused by drivers driving for work. That is, an employee who drives as part of their main job or on company time. Of course, driving is a complex task, and we all make mistakes. We're only human. But some of these errors can easily be addressed. For example, research suggests that van drivers are more likely to cause damage to the vehicle or have a collision when reversing or manoeuvring or when tailgating. Lots of these driving traits can be addressed, particularly tailgating, by maintaining the ideal 2-second following distance. Having that following distance will afford the driver safety margins, but also, more importantly, good visibility of the road ahead. While on-road coaching, of course, can help ensure a van driver's manoeuvring skills and control are up to the right standard. Other driver awareness techniques which can help reduce incidents include, for example, maintaining good visibility of the road ahead. This can be improved by increasing that following distance. Having that distance improves your visibility of the road ahead and allow you to anticipate what's going to happen. When in queuing traffic, we have a saying in driver training, tyres and tarmac. This advises drivers to maintain a safe gap from the vehicle in front so the driver can see a bit of tarmac between themselves and the rear tyres of the vehicle in front whilst they're stopped in queuing traffic. Other safety tips include keeping a safe distance when passing parked cars and particularly passing and overtaking cyclists and horse riders. Above all, always anticipate the unexpected. You never know what's around the corner. We cannot eliminate human error, but we can reduce the chances of it happening by undertaking some form of professional driver training. Professional training will assist drivers to look further ahead and anticipate hazards much earlier. This training will help reduce the risk and ensure the safety of the organisation's employees and the safety of other road users.